Gukinyaniria na riu makiria maindo cia muigana wa ciringi birioni 8.5 ni cireketie kuhofanirio ni maabitha ruhonge rwa kuhurana na indo itakinyaniirie ikiro bururi-ini ihinda-ini ria mwaka umwe. Akiaria ari mwena wa Eldoret hindi ya guthukangio indo cia muigana wa ciringi mirioni 13.5. Mutabariri wa mihang'o ya thirikari gitaru-ini kia Rift Valley Wanyama Musiambo ni ugite ni merumite kini gutigirira mianya yothe iria indo ici igeragirio ni athingo.
To ensure that whatever has been netted is actually destroyed as he told us. There is no other way, there is no other formula. Barabara ni hii, ile tumeshika mbovu, tunachoma.
Musiambo uria uma hamwe na mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya wonjoria na iganda Chris Kipto ni mahinyiriirie bata wa muingi kumenyithio gwati wa kugura indo ici na hathara iria ngiumana na uhuthiri wa indo ici.
What most people do is they just want to sell the name of somebody else, because this is not East African cable. This is not. But because all of us know the East African cables, so everybody rushes around, does whatever their gymnastics, and then they bring us this. Now you can imagine how potentially disastrous this is.
We must protect genuine business people against this. That's why we have to fight.
Ihinda-ini riu ni maugite biacara cia andu a thoko cia jua kali ni ihotomete na gikiro kinene kuna gicunje kia 80 hari igana kia onjoria aya ni maraga wa gwika kurumirira guthukirio thoko ciao.
People who have worked hard using their innovations and they are struggling to get into the market, and you allow such products like this to destroy.
We've been able to grow our economies by ensuring that we empower the people of East Africa, that the people of East Africa can be able to trade amongst themselves, that they can be able to access a larger market.
Ihinda-ini riu thirikari ni yaniriire gutwarithia na mbere birigiceni ya gwethana na indo ici hatari muthukanio.
Go with it to China and say, I want this.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.
These are inferior quality. When you look